Hello, it's me again. I hope you're doing well. Over here, when you get on your Gmail, over here on the left side of the screen, it will say Meet. And so you will want to click Join a Meeting, and I will send you a link. And so you can either should be able to click directly on that link, or you can enter the meeting code in here. Let's plan on, if possible, meeting at since it's the first day, let's do 8:30, and then after that, I do plan on doing 8 o'clock every day. Um, if you are not able to get on by 8:30, I will do another one at 3:30 to make sure I can meet with you. So, see you at either 8:30 or 3:30. Happy first day.